In an era of fast technological change, the MPBOT S1 educational robot offers students a unique learning experience, one that combines innovation, coding, and creativity. Powered by the micro-brain programming system, MPBOT S1 lets students code and control the robot directly without a computer or tablet. Using simple button and screen interaction, they can build and test their programs step by step and see their ideas come to life instantly. For advanced learners, it also supports desktop, modular, and Python programming, giving schools flexible options to teach coding from beginner to expert levels. What makes MPBOT S1 even more powerful is its full compatibility with LEGO EV3 building systems. This allows schools and students to reuse and integrate LEGO parts and accessories with the MPBOT S1, expanding creativity and enabling more complex robotic designs. With over 700 high-quality building pieces, multiple smart sensors and motors, and endless project possibilities, students can explore STEM concepts in a practical and exciting way. MPBOT S1 is more than a robot. It's a complete educational platform that helps students develop logical thinking, problem-solving skills, and readiness for the AI-driven future. Ideal for classrooms, robotics clubs, and global competitions such as WRO and GAR. MPBOT S1. Learn, code, create.